at Tamare, and today I'm gonna show you how to create this look. So today we're gonna be recreating Kelsey Merritt's Venice Film Festival look, and we're also gonna be trying or attempting to wear what she wore on that red carpet. If you guys want to learn how I did my makeup, keep watching. Makeup time! Hey, I'm a bit stressed. Not gonna lie, if I can pull off this look. So gorgeous. Okay, so again, there's a lot of pink undertones, so I'm gonna use Tartelette palette, and I'm gonna be using those pink cool tones. I'll start with Best Friend makeup hack that I saw on Instagram a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, now I'm gonna go with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna do the same technique. I just want to make it more prominent. So we used before Best Friend, now we're using Bombshell. It's actually easier without this. I can see what's happening. This is so stressful, you guys. No idea how this is showing off on camera, but praying it's doing it justice. Next, she has tons of shimmer. I'm gonna improvise actually. What I do have is a tester of an eye tint Chrome Giorgio Armani. So I'm gonna put this on top of my eyelid. So hers is more on the pinkish side. Unfortunately, I do not have the pink, but you guys can do that if you're trying to go for this look. I'm not gonna lie, it does look good. It's just not the right shade, but that's okay. It looks amazing, you guys. I need to get closer to the camera to show you. It looks really nice, right? So I'm adding whatever that's left on this brush underneath my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna quickly go in with my eyebrows. We'll do that. Okay, looking good. Camouflage my pimples. So, put it here. I'm using Smashbox and the shade Light Warm. The camera died, and I'm like, I have this on, so hopefully it blends. Yeah, it's working. Pimples are like the worst thing when you're actually filming. Now, eyeliner. This is the scary part. I think I can do this. Okay, so I'm gonna use a small brush. I'm gonna be dipping it in Fashionista. It's the darker color here. And I'm gonna go under my eyes. We are definitely not done. So I'm gonna go over with Bombshell again. And I'm just gonna tap it at the corner. Not over everything. Smoky style look. I'm gonna quickly use Tachikta contouring palette. I'm using She's Sculpted. I'm gonna do it on my nose. The amount of concentration for this is incredible. I can't even move my lips. Now with the same brush, I'm just gonna quickly contour my cheekbones. Then I'm gonna use the bronzer. Then she's wearing a very rose blush. That looks really good, by the way. So I'm gonna go with the Lancome blush, but I'm not really sure what shade that is. I had it for the longest time, but it sits so well. She has it more on her cheekbones, so this is what we're gonna go for. She has a very beautiful baby pink lip. This is my favorite lip liner, like for real. I can't find it in Canada. It's Samoa. So I'm gonna go with this pink. I'm gonna fluff that out. Yeah, you're crazy. No, trust me. Fluff it out with a brush. And then it has like this glossy lip, so I'm gonna use Item. The reason why I said to fluff it out is because it's gonna sit better with a glossy lip. Last but not least, curl my lashes and add mascara, and that's it. And I'm using Hypnose Drama by Lancome as well. So I'm just gonna add that. Look at this. These are my real lashes, you guys. I don't know if it's my lashes or this magic wand, but I like where this is going. I think we're done. That's it. My job is done. Drop. No, I'm not dropping this. Drop. Yeah, I could see it. It's time for myself to dress up like her. Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up shot for you guys. This is the look. I think we did a really good job. From the look of it, it looks pretty similar, I'm not gonna lie. I really like how this turned out. It's also gonna be tempting to wear what she wore on that red carpet. Keep watching. Kelsey Merritt looked stunning at the 79th Venice Film Festival in a black gown by Philosophy di Lorenzo Serafini. I hope I'm saying his name right. The dress featured intricate fishnet fabric that covered its entirety, giving it an edgy yet elegant vibe at the same time. To recreate this stunning look, start by searching for a long black pencil dress with spaghetti straps. You can find options on websites like Nordstrom, ASOS, and Revolve. For the fishnet fabric, this is where it gets tricky. It is almost impossible to find one that can cover the entire dress. Your best option is to try layering a fishnet or a see-through top over the dress like I did, and connect the look with fishnet gloves that you can find on Amazon. For the see-through tops, check out stores like H&M or Zara and Amazon. For shoes, you could opt for a pair of strappy nude heels to complement the sleek look of the dress. Mine are from Steve Madden. This won't be a hassle to find, trust me, the internet is full of options for you. Finally, you can add some statement jewelry of your choice. A pair of silver or gold drop earrings would be perfect. I found these leaf drop earrings at Claire's. They are very similar to what Kelsey was wearing. Make sure you add some bracelets too and wear some rings over the gloves, and your look would be complete. I'm trying to imitate her, okay? So no judgment, okay? The final look. The way it looks is so gorgeous. I might actually wear this out. Like, this is how good it looks. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any recommendations on what to do next, just add them in the comments section and I'll take a look at it. And I'll try to recreate these looks for you guys. I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.